Hello, welcome to Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. This is Satya Priya, MPhil in Mathematics, and today we are going to see the topic is division of algebraic expressions. Is the division of monomial by another monomial. We know about the monomial, which one is contained for the only one term in the algebraic expression, so that is called for the monomial term. So for example here 6x cube divided by 2x. Solution 6x cube we have to write in the irreducible factors form. 6 we can write 6, 2 3s are 6, and x we should write in the 3 times x into x into x, and next 2 into x, obviously 2x we have to write. So now write in the division form 6x cube divided by 2x. Instead of 6x cube we have to write for the irreducible form. Irreducible form is a 2 into 3 into x into x divided by 2 into x. Here 2 get cancel and x get cancel, and remaining is a 3 into x. The answer is a 3 into x square. Next, the division of a polynomial by a monomial. So divide 24 into x square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square by 8xyz. So solution here 24 is a common term common in the three terms. We should multiply in the 24 inside the bracket. Then look at the second step, 24 into x square y z plus 24 into x y square z plus 24 into x y z whole square divided by 8 x y z. Here denominator is a common for the three terms also, three terms of the numerator. We have to write in the separately also in the denominator. Now we will write, now we have to write 24 x square y z plus 8 x y z, 24 xy square z divided by 8 xy z plus 24 xy z whole square divided by 8 xy z. Now, so look at the 8 and 24, it's divisible by 8 only. So 8 ones are 8, 3s are is 24, we have to cancel, and remaining is a 3. And strike out for the x, y, z is a numerator is x square y z is a cancel, x is a 2 is there, then you have to cancel 1 x, remaining 1 x is available. Instead of that only, instead of you have to cancel for the another 2 terms only, and finally we are getting for the answer is a 3y by 1 and 3z by 1, and final answer 3x plus 3y plus 3z. If you have to divide the number, we are getting the polynomial, the polynomial is 3x plus 3y plus 3z. Division of a polynomial by polynomial. So we know the polynomial in the polynomial is more 3 and then more than 3 terms is appearing, means that is called for the polynomial only. So example problem, y square plus 7y plus z divided by y plus 5. So first of all, y square plus 7y plus z is a factor. We have to do for the factorization. We know about the factor. We already done one video for the factor also. So look at the sum of the term. Sum of the term is in the middle of the term. Is the middle of the term is what is 7y, and then you have to look at the product of the term. The product of the term is a 10. Then if we have to multiply any two number, and the two number if you are multiplying that number, you want to get for 10. If you are adding for that number, you want to get for 7. For example, 10 if come means 1 tens are 10, but 10 plus 1 the 11 is coming, so it is not possible to apply here for the splitting method for this polynomial. Then you have to try for the next number. 5 twos are 10, 5 plus 2 is the answer is 7. So we have to, obviously the condition is satisfied here. Sum of the two number is a 7, and the product of the two number is a 10 only. So we have to do for the splitting method here, y square plus 5y plus 2y plus 10, and then making a group, first two terms and last two terms one term, and then we'll make in that first group we have to consider the common terms. First of all, in this y is a common, take out the y in outside, and remaining of the term is y plus 5 plus and look at the last two terms. In that last two terms 2 is a common, because of 2 ones are 2 and 2 5s are 10. 2 is a common, we have to take in the 2 in outside, and remaining we are getting y plus 5. So y into y plus 5 plus 2 into y plus 5. Here y plus 5 is a common, for these two terms only, commonly taken outside, and remaining what is the term is there, y plus 2 is there. If you are factor y square plus 7y plus 10, we are getting the answer is a y plus 5 into y plus 2, and then we have to divide in the division form for this factorization answer, y square plus 7y plus 10 divided by y plus 5. In that, instead of that, we have to write y plus 5 into y plus 2. So y plus 5 into y plus 2 divided by y plus 5. Y plus 5, y plus 5 is a get cancelled. The remaining answer y plus 2. If you divide, the final answer is y plus 2. Thank you for watching. Keep on watching for the crazy problems to easy solutions.